How to connect GitHub to ChatGPT Codex. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect GitHub to ChatGPT Codex. So let's get started. First, you're going to simply head over and open the console of Codex, and then you're going to click on plugins here from the sidebar. Here, you're going to click on the search bar and simply type in GitHub, and you'll be able to see it says add plugin. So simply click on add plugin, and now it's going to add GitHub to your ChatGPT Codex. So simply wait for it to open this prompt in front of you. So you're going to simply enable this, like whether you want reference memories to be added and all the other stuff. You can simply go through these and then click on continue to GitHub. Next, you'll be redirected to another interface where you'll be basically asked to sign into your GitHub account. Then you're going to scroll down and click on authorize. And you'll be able to see a pop-up that says allow ChatGPT to open links of this type to associated app. So you're going to simply authorize it with Codex and click on open. And you'll be redirected to Codex, and here you can see that under added section, you'll be able to see the plugin of GitHub. So simply click on GitHub, and here you'll be redirected to the GitHub plugin. So next, what you can do is simply click on try and chat. And whatever you ask in a prompt, like let's say you can ask something like add this repository or add this file in this repository or pull it or something like that, you can simply hit enter and that specific repository would be changed within your GitHub account.